thanks for tuning into Sims Workshop. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be unboxing a Fairyloot box. I love Fairyloot. Alright, alright. Alright, alright, alright. Villains assemble. Very cool. Alright, so I believe this is the August adult theme. So, Villains Assemble, and yes, August. Woo-hoo. So this is a book-only subscription, and it is Long Live Evil by Sarah Reese Brennan. Sarah Reese Brennan, why do I know that name? I feel like I've read something by them before. Whew. Oh, yeah. This is cool. Cool. Alright, this is cool. This is actually quite awesome. I love it. I mean, look at her. Very cool. Alright, and top. What does that say? Longing for revenge? Yeah, longing for revenge. Boop. Boop. So cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna get a white dress, dip it in some red dye, and then that'll be my Halloween costume this year. I swear I know this author. I do. So, look at that. Front cover, end pages. Look at that. I love it. I love gorgeous artwork on the end pages. Alright, so author letter. And digital signature. Let's see, there's always a also by. Really? There's no also by this author? I was hoping. Back cover and pages. And then the back cover foiling. I'm like really excited. Like seeing this character artwork has made me very excited. I know this author and it's driven me nuts. Yes, you can believe after I'm done recording this, I'm gonna go look up what she's written because I'm sure I've read something else, or I own something else by this author. In any case, thank you all for tuning in to this unboxing of my Villains Assemble Fairyloot August adult box. So, doesn't say here either. In any case, once again, thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your book-loving friends. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy reading.